Hello YouTubers and welcome to another edition of TechSpud. Today I'm going to introduce to you a nightlight. And it's not just a regular nightlight, it's a Wyze nightlight. Okay. Now, this should be a quick review. I love products made by Wyze. They're innovative, simple, comparable to some of the best name brand products out there, yet very affordable. All right, let's open this up. Okay. So there's 3 inside a pack, and the pack actually in itself, one pack of 3 is $19, around $20. Okay, so let's open one up here. There we go. This is what it looks like. It does have USB-C, and this is the sensor and the light, or actually that is the sensor, and the lights are the top and the bottom. Aha! So what I noticed, there is no cord, there is no USB cord. So one pack of nightlight, $20, but you gotta get your own cord. Okay, it is USB-C. Okay. Quick start guide. Okay. So what's good about this nightlight? It's not a regular nightlight in which you have to find a socket to plug it into. You just need to use these plates that's magnetized, and you can attach this plate to anywhere with these double back stickers, and you can practically stick this high or low or even near the socket if you wanted to. Right now I've got 3. You can link them all together, and you can put them on the stairwell, and once it senses a motion on one of them, whether it be coming down or going up the stairs, when they're linked together, all of them will light up at the same time. And you can link up to 10 of these. Let's see how you can link them. Okay, now it says here in the instructions, it'll say group use. To pair Wyze night lights together, switch all devices to auto. Okay, let's turn them all to auto and find out. Okay, auto, auto, and auto. Okay, and it says about 30 seconds, they will all pair up together. Okay, that stopped blinking, that stopped blinking, and that stopped blinking. Our 30 seconds is up, and they all should be paired all together. They do come with little stickers as well that you can put right there on top of the Wyze night lights, and they do come with these little cute stickers. I'm not sure if I'm going to use any of them, but they are fun. And another sticker that came with it is, it just says I backed one of their Wyze products. And this one says Wyze Night Lights. Here's a little demo of the 3 night lights themselves. I placed one near the socket over there so you can have a little some idea on how big it is. compared to regular night lights or other night lights. And I've kind of placed them a little higher than the other consecutively. But in order for this to work, I would need to have the lights off. And when it detects motion, there you go. I really like the fact that the light is going up and down and it's just bouncing off the wall instead of the light coming directly at you. This is really nifty. And there's no motion, 15 seconds. It should start to fade and turn off. Let me show you some photos and information from the website itself. As you can see, you can practically place this anywhere. By the baby's crib, on the stairs, and especially if they're linked together, they will light up together. And you can practically place them almost anywhere. As far as rating goes, I was going to downgrade this to 3.5 stars because it doesn't have, or it doesn't come with, a USB cable. However, I've got plenty of USB cables, even USB-Cs, and it's not very hard to get a cable. That's why I'm upgrading this to a 4 out of 4 text bud stars. For about $20, it's practically a steal. You can put them in a stocking stuffer during Christmas time for your loved ones who are afraid of the dark. Well, there you have it. This is the Wyze Night Light. Don't forget to press that like button and see you again on the next TextPod edition. Thank you.